guys, hi.
Nobody's joined in yet. How come?
उसमें नीचे
There.
We are telling your followers
Somebody-
that you've joined.
Yeah,
Alive.
someone just stepped in. Okay.
Okay, we have something to tell you.
Okay.
People join in. आओ जुड़ो हमसे. कुछ
Okay.
बहुत
You
स्पेशल
wanna
शेयर
put your
करने
phone
वाले.
one second? Just put your phone here. Okay.
बहुत दिन हो गए हमने लाइव नहीं किया था, लेकिन ये एक बहुत ही स्पेशल मोमेंट है जब हम लाइव कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम जिंदगी का एक बहुत ही प्यारा पल आप लोग के साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं. कर ले,
नहीं.
बता दो यार.
What?
हमने
You know, we were talking about skydive. It's done. हो गया. कूद गए हम. मौत के कुएं से हम लोग बाहर हैं.
You know, twice we tried before this. पिछले साल या उसके पिछले साल हम लोग न्यू ईयर्स के लिए आए थे और हमने ट्राई किया था. वेदर कंडीशन फेवरेबल नहीं था. फिर इनके बर्थडे के दिन ऑन 8th वी ट्राइड एंड वो भी नहीं हो पाया था. एंड दैट वाज अ सरप्राइज फॉर हिम. इन्हें सिर्फ
It was a surprise. Like, I'll tell you how. So she, in the morning, this is 8th morning, I woke up and I was very lethargic because we had kind of partied the night before, and I was waking up, procrastinating, being
and I
lazy.
told him that we have to be ready by like 12:30, no 12 something, and he was just not getting ready.
I was not getting ready because it's my birthday. I have the right to be lazy. And then she shares an email. She says, "आपको एक email आया." Excuse me.
Not COVID, huh? हम लोग 3 बार
This is not
negative हैं.
COVID.
3 बार negative. We have tested ourselves thrice.
This is because ये देखो pregnant किसी ने लिखा.
एक ही गुड न्यूज नहीं होती है दुनिया में.
This is because of the jump, because it's high altitude. तो ऊपर ठंड बहुत थी. मैं तो सोच रहा था मुझे ठंड लग रही थी ऊपर. जैकेट पहननी चाहिए थी. So anyway, going back to birthday morning.
And मैंने
I
मेल
woke
भेजा.
मेल भेजा. बोला कि मेल आपको आया होगा, जरा चेक कर लो. So I said, यार क्या मेल आया होगा? And I see that there's a skydive booked for both of us.
बिल्डअप देखना, बिल्डअप बताओ. मैंने लिखा उसमें maybe this will make you get
Wait.
ready quickly.
हाँ, और फिर नीचे स्काईडाइव की बुकिंग. मैंने कहा क्या? और टाइम देखा. उस टाइम 9 बजे हुए थे और हमारी
नहीं बेबी 11 बजे थी और 12 बजे में निकलना था.
हाँ, मतलब 1 घंटे के नोटिस पे we were supposed to jump from the sky. I did not take it very well.
Right.
I said, you can't do this. You need a little
He did not
preparation.
say that. मन में सोच रहे थे, बाद में बताया मुझे.
बाद में, क्योंकि हम लोग जब रास्ते में थे तो रास्ते में मैं I was really jittery.
और उसके एक दिन पहले तक, एक रात पहले तक he had been after me and his friend कि यार स्काईडाइव करते ना, बोलो ना, बुकिंग करो ना. एंड मैं टालती रही और मैंने इनके फ्रेंड को बताया था, बट इट वाज अ सीक्रेट, सुपर सीक्रेट ऑफ आवर्स. तो हमने कह दिया नहीं यार बुकिंग हो ही नहीं पा रही लास्ट मिनट एटसेट्रा. तो तब तक तो he was excited, और actually when it was happening, of course he went in shock.
I went in shock and I could not really put myself together that I think for something like this you need a little preparation time. Which eventually what happened that we went there and it got cancelled because of the.
इसके भी पीछे किस्सा है by the way. हम यहाँ पे पहुँचने से पहले रास्ते में थे और मैंने सोचा यार वेदर चेक कर लेती हूँ. तो वेदर में क्लाउडी दिखाया, ऊपर आसमान क्लियर और उसमें लिखा है क्लाउडी.
हाँ, और वो क्लाउडी भी वो खाली 1 घंटे के लिए.
हाँ, फिर भी चेक द मेल तो हमें आया कि मे बी वेदर फेवरेबल नहीं है और नहीं हो पाएगा. फिर भी आप आ जाओ. तो हम गए एंड वी वर सो डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज इट रेन्ड ओनली फॉर दोज 2 hours जब हमारा स्काई डाइव होना था. ओनली फॉर दोज 2 hours. हाउ अनलकी कैन वी बी? सो हमने फिर से रीशेड्यूल किया. आज रात की हमारी फ्लाइट है, बट हमने कहा हम सुबह जंप करके ही मानेंगे. एंड एक्चुअली थैंक गॉड हो गया finally.
So this morning I was a lot better. I was kind of prepared now, so things became easy. and I was very excited. We were both very excited until we got on the plane. उससे पहले तो like yeah, let's do this man, let's kill it, blah blah blah, feeling all you know, looking forward to an adventure, which is I feel this is like a mother of all adventures. Now I can really say. Then when we were on the plane, as it started ascending, and I was the first one. I didn't realize कि जो प्लेन में लास्ट एंटर करता है वो सबसे पहले जंप करता है. तो मैं तो अपना आराम से मैंने कहा चलो सबको जाने दो, फिर मैं लास्ट में सबकी देखूंगा जंप्स और फिर मैं करूंगा आराम से. And it so happened that I am sitting on the very first seat. As you go up, the shutters open, and I said, Alex, my instructor, I said, who's going first? He says, we are. I said, यार बताया नहीं था यार पहले. चलो anyway. So as you go up,
You
you
know, I
start
would have
seeing.
given anything to be in that position.
ये देखो ये कैसी है लड़की
I
यार.
would have.
ये लड़की है.
मैं रोलर कोस्टर्स में ना एक्चुअली पूरी कोशिश करती कि मैं सबसे पहले जाके बैठूं,
Yeah.
सबसे आगे वाली सीट पे.
ये तो मतलब क्रेजी हो तुम. तो
It's a
मुझे दिख
start
रही है,
for you.
मुझे दिख रही है सारी बिल्डिंग्स, सारे स्काई स्क्रेपर्स.
सी नीचे पूरा सी एंड पाम का
हाँ.
व्यू था. ओह,
And I'm asking, you know, when you're nervous, you ask stupid questions.
क्या पूछा?
I was just asking. I wanted to strike a conversation. I just wanted to keep myself, just get rid of that nervous energy. So I said, and my instructor was not saying anything. He was just so quiet. So I was trying to strike conversations just to keep myself busy, engaged mentally.
Yeah, I pity with you.
Uh,
Oh, that
so-
was your instructor who didn't even reply to something you said. I remember now.
No, so he, so I kept asking him about. I said, "What happened to that palm?" Because when you go up, you could see that there were two palms, you know,
Yeah.
not just one. And one is not developed in the sense they've paved everything.
One was
but
beautiful to look at, and another one was like Ujda Chaman with
Haan.
nothing on it.
so asking him random questions. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
So वो ना to the
Mine was-
point, close replies दे रहा है. Yes, no. मैंने कहा आगे भी बोल ले भाई कुछ. थोड़ा सा
Mine
give me a
was
little more.
fabulous. Olga was my instructor, female instructor, and she was very nice, welcoming, accommodating, comforting. और हमने तो बहुत conversations किए मैंने उसने.
हाँ.
So in fact, it's
So-
almost like your umbilical cord is attached to your trainer. वैसा हो जाता है. That's how they, you know, they keep you close. It's beautiful.
Okay, we have to wrap up because the
No,
food is
why?
here.
Let it come here.
No,
अंदर
let
जाना
it be,
पड़ेगा.
let it be, yeah. So, yeah, I just want to say one thing. Before jumping off, I looked at her and I'm trying to, and because it was like really windy, you open the, first of all, I've never been on a plane where the shutters are open, where the door is open, right? And it's high on altitude, so that in itself is quite
मैं
scary.
बचपन से कि मुझे बहुत अर्जेस होते हैं
हाँ.
कि मैं प्लेन में ऐसे कि यार वो इमरजेंसी एग्जिट है क्या होता
खोल
है.
दो, है ना? Emergency exit खोल के देखते हैं क्या होता है.
I'm dangerous to be around.
Never be on a plane where Divyanka Tripathi is sitting,
नहीं, I'll never do that.
and
I swear.
especially when she's on an emergency exit, just exit the plane.
And we always sit on the emergency exit. So see, I'll be very reliable. When we have to open it, emergency में मैं जरूर खोलूंगी सबसे
हाँ.
पहले.
So anyway, तो मैं खोला और मतलब मैं खोला नहीं, मतलब डोर खुला और I'm about to jump and I'm screaming. I said, Dev,
And
look at me.
Lost in a conversation. with
She's
Olga.
so busy laughing. Hi. मैंने कहा यार ये देख ही नहीं रही है मुझे. मैंने कहा I need that validation that I'm gonna be alive. Just look at me once. And she's not looking at me. So I screamed. Eventually she said, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! That was it.
तो और मैं मन में सोच रहा हूँ I hope I am not one of those unlucky ones के
गंदा नहीं बोला.
whose birthday and D-Day happens to be the same day.
फालतू मत बोलो.
No, but
हाँ.
amazing. You know those first, just when you
When you're about to jump, that moment, that's the one just
when you're on the verge, and my instructor said, okay, we'll jump on 3. I said, okay, and he says 1, and he pushed me.
मुझे लगता है आपका इंस्ट्रक्टर आपसे ज्यादा डरा हुआ
I
था।
swear, man. I said, that's cheating, man. You can't do that. You don't push me on one. So, also, in case you ever plan to do this, don't trust your instructor. Matlab, trust him otherwise or her. But 1, 2, 3 mein don't trust. Yeah. They might do it before counting also.
Wasn't it fun maneuvering it, going left
Yeah,
and right?
it's scary.
Oh, scary!
Yeah,
No.
it's like a roller coaster drop sudden.
I asked her for roller coaster.
Dub, dub. When you go down, tilt it, it speeds
So,
up.
जितना जल्दी आप pull करोगे उतना जल्दी आप turn करोगे. It's like that. So I asked my instructor कि roller coaster, you will make me do roller coaster now. So she promised me one. And yeah, we did many. We enjoyed it. And the best part was the moment we landed, we came out, removed our gear, we saw each other. I think that was the warmest, tightest hug
Yeah.
ever
Like
since
we are
have met.
alive. Like, why I'm alive, she's alive. We've gone through this experience.
इतना फिल्मी हग था.
It was very filmy. I don't think they've captured
They
it,
haven't, no, they have
but
not.
we know.
We know the
And
feeling.
you feel hungover. Like right now, I think I'm gonna continue feeling hungover the whole day. In that, I'll just be dazed of what I witnessed, what I felt. That every second of it being in the air, dropping down, all of that, it'll just remain with us for life.
Forever.
Yeah.
And I think this is a good place to do it because there's such amazing view around you, palm ka and sea. And I
चलो
asked her, by the
promote
way,
करते हैं. चलो promote करते हैं उसको.
and I asked her also कि कभी sea में dive किया है? So yeah, नहीं, they don't try it. in the
Okay,
sea.
guys, seriously, we have to rush now. And yeah, of course, we're going to be sharing the video as soon as we have it. And we are super hungry. We've not eaten anything. My instructor was asking me, कह रहे, तुम खा के क्या आए हो? Why do you have so much energy? I said, this is not energy. This is something
Nervous
else.
energy.
This is nervous energy. And I was just like this.
मैं
Anyway,
अगर बताऊंगी कि मुझे क्या फील हो रहा था तो फिर इनको बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
मुझे दिख रहा था तुम्हें क्या फील हो रहा था.
This
Yeah.
was
I was feeling all macho and everything.
I was
और-
feeling all macho and
Yeah,
everything.
she's felt macho throughout. I felt macho till the point we were about to jump. और जैसे ही वो डोर खुला ना तो मेरा माचोइज्म सब गया तिल लेने. मैंने कहा भाड़ में गया मर्दानगी भाई अभी तो
जान
फटेली
बचा
है.
लो.
Okay, guys, seriously, we have to go now. And thank you
बहुत
for
अच्छा लगा
tuning
आप
in.
लोगों से इतने दिनों बाद लाइव पे बात करके. सॉरी आपने लोगों के कमेंट्स नहीं पढ़े.
उसके लिए हम दोबारा आएंगे बाद में.
हाँ.
अभी के लिए हमें एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना था, so we thought let's just quickly tune in and tell you our one of the most memorable experiences of our lives. Okay.
लव यू ऑल. स्टे कनेक्टेड. बहुत प्यार करते हो आप लोग हमसे और हम आपसे. सो खूब सारी किसीज ऑल द वे फ्रॉम दुबई.
Thank you. Bye. And
एंड इधर ही किधर होता है.